Hello guys, good morning. I'm here in Sydney. I'll be here for 3 days, and I'll be staying in this hotel for the next 2 nights. And I'm staying here at I think it's Ibis. It's a budget hotel, so it's not expensive. Or at least it's not that expensive compared to the rest of the hotels here in Sydney. Alright guys, I'm going to show you now the toilet and the shower. So this would be the toilet and the shower. And yeah, this would be my bed for two nights while I'm still here at Ibis Hotel. And they have a small TV. So when you're in the city, you can also buy Opal. It's an Opal card. It's the same with Go card in Brisbane. So you can use these cards when you take the bus or train. So you just need to tap in, tap out, or swipe in, swipe out. So they also have a small fridge. Thank you for watching.